Good morning, students. In today's video, let's begin with the story Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Miller Hemingway. So, Old Man at the Bridge is a story which is based upon the incident that took place during an Easter Sunday stopover at the Ebro River while Hemingway was a war correspondent covering the Spanish Civil War. So, in this story, Hemingway uses very ordinary and small and minute details and draws a scenario, a scene, a picture where we see the tragic end of a war, the tragedy that a war causes. And the old man, who is the protagonist of the story, he is a symbol of the countless victims of the wars. Those people who are without politics and are displaced, disoriented, and are left alone because of war. These people do not have anything to do with the war, but still they face all the harsh and adverse consequences of these wars. So the story begins when the narrator, who is one of the soldiers of the from the Republicans side, he is standing at a pontoon bridge, and what he is doing, his duty is to see where the enemy troop has advanced. Here enemy troop is the fascist group. Okay, the fascist group had advanced, and people are common people here are trying to cross the bridge, are trying to cross the bridge in order to get to a safer place. Where everybody is crossing the bridge, the narrator, soldier, sees an old man who is sitting near the bridge, but he is not able to walk or cross the bridge. So he goes on further to question the old man as to why he is not moving, because staying there could be very dangerous. So the old man replies that he cannot move because he has already walked for 12 kilometers, and for his age, he is 76 years age, and he cannot move any further. He is from San Carlos, which is his native place, and he has to leave his village because of artillery. So he is worried about his animals, which are 2 goats and a cat and 4 pairs of pigeons. He does not have any family members whatsoever, so he's just concerned about his animals, if they're safe or not. So the story generally tells us about how war affects the life of common people. The displacement, disorientation, and all the ill effects that a war has in the life of a common man. The narrator here shows a lot of kindness towards the old man. He asks the old man if he has any family, to which the old man says that he does not have anybody except his animals. He says that the cat will be absolutely fine, but the other animals, means the pigeons and the goats, he was worried about them, if they would be able to take care of themselves or not. After then, the narrator asks the old man if he has any political opinions, to which the old man answers that he has no politics. And he is a man of 76 years old who has already walked 12 kilometers and is very tired to walk any further. The narrator advises the old man to get up and try to walk and take a truck and move to a safer place, because at that point of time, that place where the old man was a very dangerous place to be at. The old man says that he does not know anyone in Barcelona, and that's why he cannot go there, and he thanks the soldier for his care and concern. The old man cannot help but share his concerns for his animals with the narrator. He repeatedly keeps on talking about his animals. The narrator here is worried because he knows that at any point of time the enemy troop can attack, and the life of the soldier as well as the old man can be in danger. At the end, the enemy troop could not fly their planes because of the heavy cover of clouds, and the soldier or the narrator concludes that the weather and the fact that the cat can take care of itself are the only good luck that the old man could ever have. Now let's take a look at the themes that are present in the story, starting with the theme of war, life and death. So the story is set during the Spanish Civil War, where we see that the narrator soldier is constantly urging the old man to get up and try to walk and move to a safer place in order to save his life. Whereas the old man is not at all worried about his life and is rather worried about the safety of his animals. Then we see the theme of alienation, which is very predominant in the story, because the war has made people to leave their hometowns, native towns, and move to another place. The old man himself had to leave his hometown of San Carlos in order to move to another place just because of an artillery. Then we see elements of religion in the story. We see that the story is set during an Easter Sunday, and the image of doves are symbol of peace here. The old man can be seen as an embodiment of love and mercy and sacrifice, which corresponds to the image of the good shepherd who is a representative of Jesus Christ. Then the narrator soldier can be seen as as correspondence to the good Samaritan who helped an injured stranger by urging him to move to a safer place because of the war. We also find elements of kindness in the behavior of the narrator soldier, who constantly urges the old man to get up and walk to a safer place in order to protect and save his life. So that's it for this story. I hope you have understood the concept of the story, and see you in the next one. Until then, take care.